gotta talk louder.
Today I'm gonna be making a cake.
Who are you making a cake with?
My mom. So this is
We're waiting for the ingredients.
the thing that you will need.
You need
1 cup of water. One
You
and a
need
half
a measuring
third
cup.
cup of water.
You need a measuring cup.
A measuring cup. A stick of butter. 3 eggs. A mixer. A whisk I meant. A big bowl. A pan. And the cake. And then the rainbow chip icing. So the cake that we need. Also, let's see. Mommy, I'm gonna put the food this whole thing up. Cause look, 3. Huh?
No, just hold on.
Okay. So we're gonna wait. So I'm just gonna show you how at the box.
About my cake pan.
At the bottom, you can just see the little rainbow.
Okay.
And if you can't see red, there is red in here.
Let's show them all the iPads. Come on, move. We're waiting for a cake pan. Look at the iPads. There's 2 iPads. Ooh, look at my iPad. 2 iPads. There's 3 more iPads. 3 more. I think we get the cake pan. We got the cake pan?
So we just need a big bowl. I think I found a bowl. A bowl. So y'all can cook with.
I don't know what type of cake we're making. We're making a super moist cake. Okay, you guys know what's gonna
I found a bowl. With the pan. Oh, you want
Wait.
So
We don't
here's our bowl. Ooh, a circle cake.
I'm making a circle cake.
No. We're making the square cake. So this is how our cake looks in the pan. Like that.
You might have to make a circle cake. 'Cause use that one.
How about the big one?
Look at all this stuff. Just stuff. See that? We're gonna do a video of that. So,
Can we get the scissors, Mom?
say it step by step.
So I'm doing this by myself.
No.
No, I'm just mixing the.
Okay, it's not yet. I'm going to show you how to do it.
Yep,
What? I know how to
she's
do
going to
it.
show us how to do it.
I know how to do it.
Because I don't really know how to make a cake.
Mommy, I know how to do it.
The dog is barking. Precious. Come here, Precious. Hey, Precious. So, first you spray some, I don't know what that is.
Ham in here so it doesn't stick.
Here's our cake.
First, you're going to start with your liquid ingredients.
Liquid ingredient.
I'm going to crack your eggs for you, though. And then I'm going to put your water in there and you can pour it in.
So the 3 eggs are cracked. As you can see the 3 egg yolks. Now, rinse your hands off.
Wait.
Here's the 3 egg yolks. One of them is spreading out.
Ow!
Oh, sorry.
That's
One
why I
of
don't
them,
allow you to grab me and stuff. 'cause
one
you're
of them
always
is
grabbing
spreading out.
me. One of them is weird looking. So, you fill up the water.
Here's your water.
What do I do now?
Just pour your water in there and just wait.
So you need a 1 cup of water, 1/3 cup of butter, softened, and 3 eggs. Okay, that's good. So you can see the water's in there. Oops. And I think we're gonna use this tool next.
No.
Okay, you poured your water in there?
Mm-hmm.
Just soften this up a little bit.
So we're gonna soften up the butter.
Not too much, Mom.
You want to set it on 1 minute, but it's on a couple of seconds now. Ooh. Ooh, wait.
I whisk it.
So you're
Now I'm gonna whisk it while the butter's in the microwave.
oh, we only stopped at 32 seconds. So the butter's kind of softened up. Let's do
Whisk it.
we stopped it at 37 seconds. I mean 36 seconds.
Whisk it gently.
Pour the soft butter in it.
And you whisk until it's all,
Let's mix together.
yeah. So you can see some of the butter.
See how we're whisking.
Something no egg in here.
It's okay. All right, so I'm gonna pour this in there and you just keep whisking, okay? Keep whisking. Be gentle. Let me help you a little bit. Let me. Hold on.
No.
Destiny.
Chill out, little girl. Hold on. Now go.
Thanks again for bringing me here. It's my pleasure, Madison.
Okay, so you can't stir it too much, so let me finish it up so I can put it in the oven, okay?
But I want to pour it. Mommy,
Now look how fast it's done.
I want to pour it. I want to pour it.
Pour it. Watch your hand.
Pour it in the pan.